This morning, disturbing video obtained by TMZ of mid-air mayhem. A United Airlines passenger seen biting a flight attendant's uniform in the midst of a meltdown.
Oh gosh. No. What are you doing? Stop. Literally stop. What is happening?
I really love...
No. With it, I said.
Pointing finger on me and yelling on me. My crew is crying because of you. Please try to understand there's a God, there are counted, means uplifted. We can only serve what you're
Why are you yelling?
Because you are yelling on us.
Hey, stop it! Guys, get off the plane! Stop! Hey, hey, hey.